Hello guys and what's up? So today we are going to answer a very interesting question. Okay, comes from the vector topic. So this is taken from the SPM 2015 question 9 and okay, please pause the video before you see the solution. Okay, so let's take a look and discuss the question together. So diagram 9 shows a triangle ABC. So this is a triangle, and given the information as this, I have listed over here. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to do. It is super important to list up all the information given so that you do not miss anything. So AP ratio PB can be interpret or can be changed into this form or the fractional form. So like this, it is actually the same thing. So don't confuse or don't bother too much about that. And observe that I also label the diagram as mentioned in the information given. So we know that AC is 3y, vector AC is 3y, and vector AB is vector AP is 2x. So let's list up all, label up all the information like this, and also AP ratio 1 and PB is ratio 2, like that. And same goes with BR ratio RC, the same thing. And the question asks us to find vector CP, and the bar here is actually the same as CP. It is other way to indicate vector. So when you want to travel from C to P is the same thing when you want to travel from C to A first and then A to P, right? So like this. Okay, C to A, we don't have that information, but we have this information, right? A to C, which is A to C. A to C is the opposite direction of C to A. So, which means we can put the negative sign in front like this. For AP, it is given to x, so this is our final answer. CP is equivalent to 2x minus 3y. And of course, the x variable must be in front, okay? How about CR? Okay, vector CR, let's see. Okay, vector CR is over here. C to R, right? Like that, the direction. But let us find CB first because it is more easier, because when you want to find CB, we have that information because we have CA and AB. We can use that information to find CB. So CB is CA plus AB. And what is CA? Negative 3y. What is AB? Okay, take a look. AP is 2x and associate with 1 ratio. PB is 2 times of AP. So 2 times of 2x is 4x. So you can expect that AB is nothing but just 2x plus 4x, which is 6x. Or you can just times with 3 times 2x, like that, and you get the same result, which is 6x. And final answer is not this. This is not the final answer. This is CB. Our intention to find CR. CR, we know CR is 1 part out of CB. CB is 3 parts. So guess what? CR is 1 over 3 out of the whole thing, which is CB. Understand? So that's why I multiply 1 over 3 with this whole thing, which is CB. And you get CR, which is only 1 part of it. And simplify. Oops, actually you're supposed to get 2x minus y as your final answer. Agree? Okay, next question. Oh. So let's get into the next question. Okay, question B. I do not do the animation over here, but it's okay. So given x is 2i and vector y is negative I plus 4j. And what is magnitude of CR. So recall that this sign stands for modulus, or it also known as absolute value, but in terms of vector it is known as magnitude. Okay, so this is magnitude. So the question wants us to find magnitude of CR. We know from previous question CR is this, which is 2x minus y, and we know the x is 2i, substitute, and y is this, negative I plus 4j, substitute. Simplify and you get this. Okay, so magnitude is x component square plus y component square. So this is x component, which is 5 square, plus with the y component, negative 4 square, and you plus them up and you get 41 unit as the magnitude. Okay, proceed. Question C. Okay, let me largen the diagram over here, and so that you have a better look of it. Suppose we are given this CQ, a vector CQ equivalent to this. Okay, actually I'm just listing up all the information given, nothing so special. Okay, from here, CQ and CP, which one we know better? CP, right? Because we have that information. Okay, CP, because we have already previously know that CP over here, 2x minus 3y. So compared to CQ, we know CP better because we have that information previously. So I list up what I know first, which is this. From equation 1, I know only CP, but CQ I do not know. It's okay. And from equation 2, I know AR, which is AB plus BR. Okay, AR, AB, we know AB, and BR, I also know BR, which is 2/3 part out of BC. So this is BR. Okay, which what I have mentioned over here. And we know BC is the negative or the opposite direction of CB, and we know previously CB, we have this information. So which is negative 3y plus 6x. So we just put the negative and we get negative y, 3y minus 6x as CB. And we do the operation, we get AR is equivalent to 2x plus 2y. Okay? But we do not have this information. So but it's okay. And from equation 1, I know I can bring this CP to the left hand side and left us with m over 1. What does it mean? It means that CQ is the m part and the CP is the whole thing, which is 1 part. So what about QR? QR is 1 minus m part, of course, because when you add QP with this CQ, you will get 1 part back, right? 1 minus m plus m cancels and 1 part. So this is the whole part, which is 1 part, right? So label it. So this is m part, okay? CQ m part, QP 1 minus m part, and do the same thing similarly as the equation 2. So I don't have to explain the process because I already explained previously. Label it n 1 minus n, like that. But how could we use these informations? Let us see. Suppose we know the relationship between m and n is CQ, QR, and RC. So we can use our knowledge about the vector triangle or the vector addition, right? And plus, we know about this. We know about this vector. We have that information, right? CR, which is 1/3 part out of CB, right? So CR is nothing but just CQ plus QR, right? CR, CQ, QR. And CR is we already obtained, it is 2x minus y. CQ. CQ is the M part out of the whole thing, which is CP. So M out of CP. So M times CP. Similarly as QR is N part out of AR. Like that. So I write like this. And let's focus on the right hand side, which is this. This is the right hand side. And what is actually CP? Okay, CP, I already mentioned over here what we know, CP and also AR. So we substitute that into here, CP and AR. And we get like this, okay? So do not surprise with that little thing, okay? We just get that information previously. Expand the bracket, so I get 2mx minus 3my plus 2nx plus 2ny. And then rearrange, make sure x married with the x, y married with the y, okay? Okay, x must be coupled with the x, y with y. And then we bring this back. Then we compare lah. Compare what I have been highlighted earlier is what I compare right now. Okay, so just write whatever have been highlighted. The x is cancelled off and left us with this. And similarly with the y. So this is actually n, symbol for n in math. Negative y equivalent to negative 3m minus 2n times with y. Negative cancels, y cancels. So this is everything cancels, left us with 1. Like that. And this is equation 2. Previously, this is equation 1. So we have formed what? Linear equation. Okay? So we just have to solve that linear equation. I think I need to keep that in. Okay. Where the spot? Okay, over here, right? The system of equation. I can't erase that, huh? Okay, whatever. So let me eliminate the n by adding the equation. So this is plus. So this is being cancelled, so nothing over there. 3m plus 2m is 5m equivalent to 3, so m equivalent to 3 over 5. So we substitute m equivalent to 3 over 5 to here, and we get what? 2 times m, 3 over 5 plus 2n equivalent to 2. So 2n is equivalent to 2 minus, this is 6 over 5. So n is equivalent to 2 minus 6 over 5 over 2, right? So this is 1, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. Negative 6 over 5 divided by 2 is 6 over 10. Press your calculator, or this is actually easy. This is actually 4 over 10. So 2 over 5. Okay, so this is n equivalent to 2 over 5 and m equivalent to 3 over 5. So n equivalent to 2 over 5 and m equivalent to 3 over 5, n equivalent to 2 over 5. Okay, and I think that's all. I hope you guys understand with my explanation just now, and yeah, I hope you guys can understand with my whatever I have been teaching you. And until next time, good luck.